Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to write product descriptions in Odoo. So writing effective product descriptions in this platform helps customers understand your product, improves the SEO and increases conversations. So actually guys, first you will need to open the products page, and to do that you will need to click or to left click on the website model. Okay, and then just go and hover or click on the e-commerce that's located at the top bar between the sites and reporting options. Then go and click on the products option. It's the first option on the products section exactly. So once you click it here, you will need to locate the description field. So Odoo usually provide the sales description and the website description. So the website description appears on your online store product page. And that's if you already have a product listed right here. So let's say that you want to set up a description for a new product. Okay, so you will need to go with new first here and fill the infos of the product here, and this is the description. So the good titles are short, specific and easy to search. For example, black cotton hoodie or wireless gaming mouse, stainless steel water bottle, and avoid vague titles like nice shirt, cool products, etc. Okay, so for example, the title you can, or that title that I'm talking about, you can enter right here. So for example, I said black cotton hoodie. Right, and now you will need to write a short intro on the description. Okay, so for example, you will need to go or to start with 1 to 2 sentences explaining what the product is, who it is for, and the main benefits. So for example, you can go with the premium cotton hoodie designed for everyday comfort with a soft interior lining and modern relaxed fit. So for example, that's one, right? And then just go and save. All right, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.